Significant travel on Talk Sport with Switzered Van Insurance. Looking to insure your van? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Get a quote today. Switzered Van Insurance.
In the West Midlands, it's still looking busy both ways on the M6 approaching junction 10 for Walsall. That's not helped by an earlier vehicle fire between junction 10A and 10. And it's still queuing both ways on the M42. 2 lanes are closed both ways between junction 5 for Solihull and 6 for Birmingham Airport for works. Northbound is back to junction 4, southbound back to junction 7. The M1 is still queuing northbound, approaching the closure between junction 15 for Northampton and 15A for Toaster for the weekend works. And at the Eurotunnel terminal at Folkestone, there's still a waiting time of up to 2 hours for freight services. I'm Michael Page.
Saturday evening, the Nations League live.
Oh, it's gone in!
England versus Italy. Coverage from 4. Kickoff 7:45.
Oh, yes! What a goal!
Saturday evening on Talk Sport. Come and have a go.
Kenny's been in touch and says you'd have enjoyed Ayrshire over 35's match last night. The council shortened the pitch that Mr. Key Task. They moved the pitch short, but they left the goals. They left the goals sort of behind the touchline.
Oh, nice.
And absolutely sensational. He says the ref and teams coped admirably with compulsory sending off, unrelated to vague line calls. That's really good. They're just moving the lines but leaving the posts where they are. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, live from Knutsford Services, it's time for Time Difference.
Always time for Time Difference.
And here's your host, Mr. Ian Dance Danter. Welcome, Dance.
Hey, Dance.
Good afternoon to you both. It is time for Time Difference, the game of skill, well, I say so, between Max Rushton and Charlie Baker, our kings of flannel, who have to guess the minute that famous goals were scored in. And whoever guesses in the fewest amount of minutes gets the win on today's Time Difference. So
almost like you've forgotten the rules there, Dance, as you were going through them there. You're the host of Time Difference, for goodness sake.
no, I haven't forgotten the rules.
Okay,
No.
I'm sure.
Probably put off by this pretty good deal in WH Smith or something like that.
That's true. Might have a jitsters.
Them scarecrows are back in stock.
Yeah, that is true.
An example there, ladies and gentlemen, of the sort of flannel you can expect on Time Difference.
There's always time.
As I say to Max Rushton,
Yes.
which hand is my hand sanitizer?
Left hand.
Right hand. Charlie Baker, you can go first or second.
I will go second, please, Dance.
All right then. So our first goal on Time Difference comes from the Germany-England game last week, live on Talk Sport. Harry Kane scored his 50th goal for the Three Lions to equalise, but at what time, Max Rushton?
Oh, it was late, wasn't it? 87.
Okay, Charlie Baker.
I think it was... I'm going to go later than that. I'm going to say 88.
Let's hear it as it went in.
It's Kane against Neuer, right-footed. He sends it into the bottom left-hand corner. A half-century for Harry Kane. An equalising goal for England.
So there's the first goal. At this point, we say hello to Tony with a voice as rich as honey doing the scores. Hello, Tony.
Hello, Dance.
Hello, Dance.
Yeah, looking good. Well, we have a direct here. A direct here, don't we, Tony?
Yes, we do.
Direct. We do, and it goes the way of Charlie Baker, 88th minute.
Oh, well done, Charlie.
Oh, bang.
What are the scores, Tony?
So what are the scores? Very easy scores after round one, Tony.
Very easy, Dance. Max is on 1 and Charlie is still on 0.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
As we move to Charlie for our second goal on Time Difference. Now, Brighton 4, Manchester United 0. One of the big score lines towards the end of the season in the Premier League. Brighton thrashed United at the Amex. Leandro Trossard scored the 4th goal. But what minute did that goal go in, Charlie Baker?
Yeah, 79th minute.
Okay, Max Rushton.
65th.
Let's hear it as it went in.
I mean, they are being taken apart here. Here is Gross into Welbeck. In the air, he's got 3 options, and he's smuggled in on the line by Trossard. It's 4-0.
Goal went in on the hour. So
nice
that's better for Max Rushton. So